Hi friends! I am so excited to see you all tomorrow on the first day of school. Are you excited? I hope so. I just wanted to read you a quick little poem before you head to bed tonight, and I get to see you in the morning. So here it is. 'Twas the night before first grade. 'Twas the night before first grade, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The backpacks were hung by the front door with care, in hopes that the morning soon would be there. The children were restlessly sleeping in bed, while parents a million things rushed in their heads. Once all were asleep, happy school dreams arose, with visions of friends, teachers, apples, and clean clothes. For just in a few hours the new day would come, and all would awake to the bright morning sun. Kids would put on fresh clothes, new shoes, and a smile, and fidget and fumble with nerves for a while. Then bravely stand up with a smile and say, "I'm ready to do this. Let's get on our way." Parents would take a few pictures and wipe a small tear, for the long-awaited first day of school was now here. Happy first day of first grade to all, and to all a great first day. Sweet dreams. I'll see you in the morning.